Does sentientism include plants? Have you ever wondered where plants fit into the ethical framework of sentientism? This question opens up a fascinating discussion about moral psychology and how we view living beings. Sentientism is an ethical philosophy that focuses on sentient beings. These are creatures that can experience sensations like pain, pleasure, suffering, or joy. The core idea is that the ability to have subjective experiences is what matters when considering moral concern. In this framework, beings that can feel and have interests deserve ethical consideration. This includes humans and non-human animals. Sentientism explicitly rejects speciesism, which is the unfair discrimination based solely on species. It extends moral concern beyond just humans to include other sentient animals. Now, when it comes to plants, the situation changes. Sentientism does not include plants in its scope of moral concern. Why is that? Plants lack sentience. They do not have nervous systems or consciousness, meaning they cannot experience sensations or feelings. While plants play a crucial role in our ecosystems, their value in sentientism is more indirect. They are important because of how they affect sentient beings who depend on them. For example, a forest is significant not because of the trees themselves but because of the sentient animals and humans that live in or relying on that environment. This means that, from the perspective of ethics and morals within sentientism, plants do not have intrinsic moral status. Their importance is recognized only in relation to the well-being of sentient individuals. This approach contrasts with other ethical views that assign intrinsic moral value to all living things or ecosystems, regardless of their ability to feel. In practical terms, sentientism guides ethical behavior to prioritize the interests and welfare of sentient beings. This means that environmental protection efforts are often supported because they help safeguard the habitats necessary for sentient life to thrive. While plants are essential to these ecosystems, their moral consideration is derivative rather than direct. Sentientism includes all sentient beings, which are those capable of feeling, but does not extend to plants since they are not sentient. Thus, within this ethical framework, plants are valued instrumentally rather than intrinsically.